Kuringana na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu makiria ma andu 60 ni makuire na wagi kihiri makinyitwo migwate hindi ya mirurungano ya GENZ undu uria rwikundi ciciugite ikumbanira kiwatho gutigirira thirikari ni yathitangwo. Mutongoria wa kiama gia Safina Wanjigi uria uratongoria ikundi ici augite ni athagathagite MBUTU ya mawakiri mekurugamirira andu aria manyitirwo migwate ona family iria andu ao makuite gwetha kihoto nja wa mihaka ya bururi.
To those police commanders and even to William Ruto, rest assured that under the universal jurisdiction principle, we will hold you responsible and will try you for these criminal offenses. And that is not something we are going to do next year. We are going to do it this year. So don't be surprised when you start seeing charge sheets flying across the continent, across the globe, in which police commanders in Kenya and even William Ruto will be an accused person.
We need to see an IG in court. We need to see a DCI in court. We need to see OCPDs and OCSs in court. That is what we need. There was a young man who was shot some time ago.
Mierio ya Wanjigi yukite mathaa manini thutha wa Inspector General wa borithi wa ihinda Gilbert Masengeli kwaga gwikinya igoti ni gutariria kuria Bob Jagi, Jamil Hashim na Aslam Lawton mari na aria maikirio ngono tariki 19 mweri Muthiru thutha wa gutabania ndereti ya thirikari cia matura rwenda-ini rwa X.
Bob Jagi and the Longman twins came to visit me in Kamkunji after I was illegally arrested by the police. They were abducted after visiting me. This is 3 weeks now, and they have not been seen, notwithstanding a lot of the court orders. So this is a direct affront to some of us personally.
Amwe ya aria mahonokire thutha wa kunyitwo migwate ni matariria ati matire mona kihoto kiao aingi ao makioneka kwaga mwihoko na uria mashira mao maratwarithio.
My family members were in distress. They were moving everywhere, calling all my friends, trying to find out where I was. They could do nothing. And you know, the problem is that we have a generation that believes we are very powerless to the extent that a president cannot be called by name.
Why not take these suspects to court? Why not subject them to the due process of the law?
Toguo tu Wanjigi augite ni eharirie kung'ethera na President Ruto kiharo-ini kia uteti amwona gutuika daugite ni giturwa kiri kwa kahuranira augite gitama gitigakorwo kiri kihuthu kuri President Ruto ikireka-ini ria keri.
William Ruto, I am coming for you. I am coming for you in the political arena. I am coming for you in the legal arena. And I am coming for you with the Constitution of Kenya.
Mĩario ya Wanjigi yukite rĩrĩ Kenya Francis Awino athitangĩte thirikari igoti-inĩ rĩa East Africa Court of Justice rĩrĩa rĩ Arusha, Tanzania, cira ũrĩa Kenya ihetwo thikũ 45 iheane macokio. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.